Schedule traffic, Cirrus 13 to Golf, taking off runway 29er, straight out departure schedule. Okay, ready for takeoff. We'll do a full length. Flap safety, mixture rich, boost pump on. .3 inches of mercury. Fuel flow is good. 59. There's 80 knots. Just do a shallow takeoff.
Schedule traffic, green and white 150, taking runway 29 for departure.
Flaps up. Slight smell of fuel. That's okay. Engine instruments reading good. 1 EGT is
Schedule
higher.
traffic, Cessna 61891, doing steep turns over Cedro, 6 miles out, schedule.
Schedule traffic, Cirrus 13 Golf is turning disregard.
Altitude.
We'll just turn and maneuver a little bit.
Schedule traffic, Discovery 3 Delta is clear 04, schedule.
Schedule traffic, Cirrus 13 Golf is maneuvering to the northwest of the airport. We'll be doing a midfield crossing to return on a downwind for runway 29er schedule.
Schedule traffic, green and white 150 is climbing through 1000. We'll be making left-hand departure to the west.
Schedule traffic, Cirrus 13 Golf, approaching from the north. We'll be crossing midfield at 1700 feet to enter left down in runway 29er schedule.
Schedule Skyhawk 13437, 7 miles northeast at 2,600, maneuvering slow flight, schedule.
Schedule traffic, Cirrus 13 Golf, crossing midfield 1600 feet. We'll be entering a left down in runway 29er schedule. We didn't plan for that, but
traffic, green and white
EGT and
150
CHT on cylinder
is
number
about 3
2
miles
is a little
to the west,
higher than normal.
westbound 1,300.
So we'll just return to the airport
Schedule.
and check with the technician. Schedule traffic, Cirrus 13 Golf, cross midfield. We'll be entering a left downwind runway 29er schedule. Flaps 50.
Schedule traffic, North 58 Mike, 900 feet over the northwest corner of the Tulip Fields and heading to the east to I-5. Schedule.
Schedule traffic, Cirrus 13 Golf, turning left base runway 29er, schedule. Flaps 100. Schedule traffic, Cirrus 13 Golf, turning final runway 29er, schedule.
$500.